You ever find yourself lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, with your mind just racing? It's like no matter how tired you are, sleep just won't come because of all the stuff running through your head. I've been there too, but I've found that saying a simple prayer before bed can really help calm those thoughts, letting you drift off and wake up ready to handle whatever the day throws at you. Let me share it with you. So pray with me. Dear God, I am here at the end of another day, and honestly, I am feeling a bit overwhelmed. There's so much on my mind, and I just need your peace right now. Help me to let go of all these worries and get the rest I really need. Please calm my mind, ease my heart, and let me sleep deeply tonight. Watch over me as I sleep and keep me safe. Let my body and mind be refreshed so that when I wake up, I can tackle the day ahead with your strength and guidance. Help me to do my best in everything and lead me towards success in all I try to accomplish. Thank you for always being there, especially in the quiet moments like this. Amen. This is a prayer that's helped me find peace at night and start my day off right. And I hope it does the same for you. So if you like this, please subscribe to our channel for daily prayers and like